This video walks you through how to configure Symphony OCR for Worldox. Before following the instructions in this video, you'll want to follow the instructions for installing the software found in our video entitled Symphony OCR How to Install. Now that Symphony OCR is running, it's time to configure Symphony OCR for NetDocuments. Symphony OCR has a wizard that takes you step by step through installing. The first step that you'll want to follow is to put in your license number. You'll want to copy and paste the license number into the license field and choose Save and Continue. Next, you'll want to configure your email notifications. Input your email address here, and then choose your notification type. You can be notified never, daily, when there are warnings or errors, or just when there are errors. Most firms select when there are errors or warnings. Next, determine whether or not you would want to process TIP files. Processing TIP files requires that they are converted to PDF and then replaced as PDF files. If your firm utilizes projects or relationships in Worldox, this will break any projects or relationships. Next, determine if you want to process MSG email message attachments. This requires the 32-bit version of Outlook to be installed on the workstation running Symphony OCR. To enable these features, simply check the checkbox and choose Save and Continue. Next, we'll configure Worldox. To configure Worldox, select the Configure button. Symphony OCR will query Worldox using the default Worldox user code 000000. This user should have full access to all ethical walls in Worldox. It will also determine your Worldox network folder. Next, choose which cabinets you wish to monitor. I have a good handful here. Maybe I only want to monitor or OCR documents in a few of them. Select the ones that you wish for Symphony OCR to process. Next, you can choose a priority. The default priority is normal. However, you have several options to choose from. The first is analysis only. This will analyze that cabinet and determine which documents are candidates for OCR. You also have very low, low, normal, high, and very high priority. Choose the priority that suits this cabinet the best so that certain cabinets can be processed with a higher priority or more quickly than others. By default, Symphony OCR will process the oldest documents last and the newest documents first, so it will work backwards through your document repository. Now we'll select Save Changes. Worldox has now been configured and set up, and it's simply processing documents.